In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TikTok to Whop 2026, step by step. Here's what we're doing and why it matters. We'll link your TikTok profile to your Whop account using a quick verification code. This confirms you own the TikTok account and lets Whop recognize it securely. It's fast, it's safe, and you can remove the code right after verification. Start on Whop, log in, then head to your connected accounts section. You'll see a list of supported social platforms. Find TikTok and click the connect button next to it. Whop will immediately generate a unique 6-digit verification code just for you. Keep this browser tab open. You'll need to come right back to it. Now switch to TikTok either in the app or on the web. Go to your profile and open Edit Profile. In your bio or description field, paste that 6-digit code exactly as it appears in Whop. Don't add extra characters, spaces, or emojis around it. Clean and exact is best so Whop can detect it. This is only temporary and won't affect your content or followers. Tap or click Save to update your TikTok profile. Give it a moment to finish saving so the change is live. If you're on mobile data or a slower connection, waiting a couple of seconds before switching back can help ensure TikTok has published your updated bio. Return to your Whop tab and click Verify. Whop will look for that exact code on your TikTok profile. When it finds a match, you'll see a success message and your TikTok account will be officially connected to Whop. That's the whole linkage done. Once you're verified, feel free to go back to TikTok and remove the code from your bio. Open Edit Profile again, delete the code, and save your profile. The connection to Whop stays intact even after the code is gone, because the verification is already complete. If verification doesn't go through on the first try, double check a few quick things. Confirm the code in your TikTok bio matches exactly, with no extra spaces or characters. Make sure you save the profile after pasting the code. Refresh the Whop page and try Verify again. If needed, you can restart the process by clicking Connect on Whop to generate a fresh code and repeat the same steps. And that's it. You've logged into Whop, generated a 6-digit code, placed it in your TikTok bio, saved, verified back on Whop, and then cleaned up your bio. Simple, secure, and done.